A browser extension may be required before you can access some apps in your portal. You may see this prompt to install it. Or, when you attempt to open an app that requires the browser extension, you may see this prompt instead. In either case, select the prompt to get started. We'll look at installing the Firefox browser extension, but other browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and Safari all have similar guided steps. Follow the prompts to download, install, and add the extension. You'll see the extension icon here, but you may need to provide your portal password and/or MFA options to allow the extension to access your portal. Once you've signed into the browser extension, you can use single sign-on to easily access all your apps.